Yeah. Go like really freaking fast. Go. Go, 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 go. Come on. I think it's worth it though. Hey, Yellow, we're moving around out here. Come on, guys. Keep falling from my face.
Get one of those brain exploders. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
There's a guy named Brain Exploder on YouTube. He made the perfect headset. It does not move whatsoever.
Even for the GoPro on your head.
It's right on like your guy's disc.
I'll check that out. There's, I feel, is that guy still like right there? Oh, gosh.
Is that LED stock you're using or your crane stock?
Crane stock. Just stock. It's a stock.
Bigger battery.
No, my battery's actually right here because I got a LiPo and it's a like or rectangle. It won't fit in here, so.
We are playing. Jesus fucking Christ! Motherfucker.
That's a good YouTube. That's good. That fucking hit you. I got that on camera. Yeah. I got that all on camera, man. Woo. I got that too.
Everybody's like, don't rush your death. I'm fucking walking the whole field.
I know. I haven't really been running that much. I'm afraid someone's gonna pop around here and freaking take us out and be like, Bzz. Okay, let's move to the library and shoot that way. Why do you only have a knife? Okay.
And they only not killed 4 kills, so I'm like, shit. I can get that.
So you're out here basically just to talk and play with your knife. Okay. I'm just shooting in there. There's a couple cheaters on their team. About one or two. Probably 3. What I just said probably doesn't make a lot of sense either. Yeah, watch that. He might be in. Yeah. Good job, guys. Okay, hey. Okay, yell. We need like 3 guys that way and like the rest go in this way. And just. So should we be going that way? Yeah. Well, should we try to get these guys and then go in that way? Good? No, yeah, I know what you mean.
Have they started like pushing out more?
No, not really. Oh, I told you it was gonna happen! I told you, that hit me right in the... Oh, shit. Oh, right in the freaking head. I told you that was gonna happen. I can predict the future. That man. That was kind of funny, but it really hurt. Shot me right, like.
You should watch our 6, man. Why don't you do it?
Yeah, Chris, why don't you watch our 6? You were already out. I got you getting shot in GoPro. I'll slow it down and be slow motion. Be like, you see the bullets bouncing off you. Is this thing still on? Oh no, it's not recording. Hey Chris, is this dead? Is it off?
Yeah, it's on. It's blinking.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Never mind.
Oh yeah, you're right. That was an okay game, but okay, this is really annoying. Oh, that's not good. You were shooting at people's feet?
Well, no, I shot somebody in their foot. I wanted to say surrender.
Oh, last time you watched it, someone told me surrender and I didn't listen. Remember that? Last weekend?
I saw the girl with his gun pointing at the ground.
That was funny.
That was fun.
Oh, that hurt though. I think you guys might have won because you made a big push in the middle there and just wiped us out. That hurt.